Want to see how my mini braid growth is going, as well as to get insider tips for your braid growth? In this video, I am sharing my progress made, as well as what you can do to achieve length retention while wearing mini braids. This is where it's all started. 2 months ago, I started the solo mini braids root challenge. The aim was to reduce postpartum shedding and to retain length. I decided that I will wear mini braids for at least. I was about to moisturize my hair when I decided to take this close-up shot to show you how my mini braids are looking, and this is 2 weeks old mini braids. So I want you to look at the scalp as well as the hair in general, as well as the end. And I must say that my hair is looking pretty good. The scalp is looking good also, and the ends are looking good. Right, so everything seems on par. I must say that my hair is soft, and the ends are, since I started doing the oiling of the ends, my split ends are gone because I cut them off, and I'm not seeing much split ends at this time, even though I need a trim. But I think they're looking pretty decent compared to what they were before I started the mini braids and started oiling the end. So that's a plus for me, and I really like that, right? Because no one wants their ends to be looking ragged. And up next, I am going to show you the 1 month update. As you've seen in the previous clip, I started in June 25th, and then 3 weeks later, I rebraided my hair. This is my first month update. I had washed and rebraided my hair, and I was shocked to see the length retained compared to my mini twist. Therefore, I felt so motivated to continue, and I cannot wait to show you my 2 months result. I'm currently in month 2. Are you ready? Shamroll! So this is my 2 months update, and guys, I tell you, at the end of wash day, I was a bit disappointed because my hair was shedding. However, I was blown away when I see the growth. I had to call my husband to look at the comparison picture, and as such, this is where we're currently at. I love what I am seeing so far. I love how it's working for me, and I am grateful. Of course, I am grateful because I'm going through postpartum shedding, and to see that my hair, is going and looking better, that's a good thing for me. And to let you know and give you some tips as promised in the video, what I am doing to keep my hair healthy, I moisturize. I cannot stress moisturizing your hair enough. It is very important if you are going to wear a protective style, because if you're not moisturizing your hair is going to break off. So I moisturize within 5 to 7 days, or the day before my hair dries out. So every 5 to 7 days, I'm going to moisturize my hair, or the day before my hair dries out. And over time, when you're doing it, you will know when your hair is going to dry out, and then you decide to moisturize a day before. You don't want to wait until it dries out. Your hair would have already start breaking. And I also wash my hair while it is in mini braids. So I wash my hair every 2 weeks, and within that period of time, I am going to be washing on or before 10 days. So every other week, I'm washing my hair, but I make sure that it doesn't pass 10 days. That's what I meant to say there. I also rebraided my hair at the end of a month, based on what you can see in the clips here. And at nights, I am encouraging you to wear a bonnet or a satin scarf to protect your hair against like your pillow, if you're not using a satin pillow, that is. So you want to make sure that your hair is properly covered at night. So that's exactly what I am doing to retain length and also to keep my hair healthy and strong. What am I going to do next from here? I am going to continue this challenge. I am going to go for month 3 and I will also update you on that progress. Let me know in the comments how your mini braids journey going. If you enjoy this update, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and tell a friend. What good? See you in my next upload.